Welcome back to my channel, SJA Motors. Today we're talking about something every car lover and smart buyer dreams of: SUVs that never break down. These are the machines built with reliability, durability, and longevity in mind. They're the kind of vehicles you buy once and can drive forever. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the 15 SUVs that almost never let you down. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's start with the king, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This SUV has been trusted in deserts, jungles, and mountains for decades. Built like a tank, it's known to last over 500,000 kilometers with minimal issues. Its 4.5-liter V8 diesel engine or the newer 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 delivers power with unmatched reliability. The Land Cruiser's bulletproof transmission, heavy-duty chassis, and world-class off-road systems make it a global icon for toughness. 2. Lexus GX 460. Luxury and reliability rarely meet, but the Lexus GX is an exception. Underneath the premium looks, it's basically a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. The 4.6-liter V8 engine can run smoothly for decades. The GX combines a smooth, quiet ride with incredible off-road ability, making it perfect for families who want peace of mind for years to come. 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is the definition of hassle-free ownership. It's not flashy, but it delivers everything you need: comfort, practicality, and reliability. The 1.5-liter turbo or 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engines are known to last forever if maintained properly. It's also one of the most fuel-efficient and affordable SUVs to maintain, perfect for daily use. 4. Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner is another unstoppable SUV from Toyota. It's one of the few body-on-frame SUVs left, which means it's built for endurance. The 4.0-liter V6 engine is a legend for its simplicity and power. Whether you're rock crawling or highway cruising, the 4Runner just doesn't quit. Owners have reported these SUVs lasting beyond 400,000 kilometers with basic maintenance. 5. Subaru Forester. Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive and boxer engine setup make the Forester one of the most balanced and reliable SUVs ever made. It's built for rugged terrain and performs well in snow and rain. With proper care, this SUV can easily hit the 300,000 kilometers mark without major repairs. 6. Toyota RAV4. Another Toyota, another reliability legend. The RAV4 is famous for its bulletproof engines, smooth CVT, and affordable parts. It's compact yet strong, ideal for city driving or long adventures. The hybrid versions are even more efficient, giving you both longevity and low running costs. 7. Lexus RX 350. The RX is the luxury SUV that defines reliability. With a silky smooth 3.5-liter V6 and a track record of minimal breakdowns, it's a favorite among long-term owners. The RX's interior quality, combined with Lexus' top-tier build standards, ensures it feels new even after 10 years of ownership. 8. Honda Pilot. The Pilot is a large SUV that's built to carry families in comfort and confidence. Its 3.5-liter V6 is the same engine found in the Accord and Odyssey, engines known for lasting over 400,000 kilometers. Honda's reliability record makes the Pilot a smart buy for those wanting peace of mind on long journeys. 9. Toyota Highlander. Toyota again proves its dominance in the reliability game. The Highlander combines the space of a family SUV with the reliability of a Corolla. Its powertrains are built to run smoothly for years, and its hybrid variant is one of the best in the business. It's a true, buy once, drive forever, SUV. 10. Mazda CX-5. Mazda may not be the first name you think of for durability, but the CX-5 has proven itself time and again. Its Sky-active engines are efficient and long-lasting, while Mazda's attention to build quality means fewer mechanical issues over time. It's a fun-to-drive SUV that doesn't sacrifice dependability. 11. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has evolved massively, and recent generations have proven to be extremely reliable. Hyundai's improved engineering, combined with robust engines like the 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter petrol options, make this SUV a smart long-term choice. It also comes with one of the best warranties in the world, showing Hyundai's confidence in its product. 12. Toyota Sequoia. If you want a full-size SUV that refuses to age, the Toyota Sequoia is it. Sharing DNA with the Tundra pickup, it's powered by a durable 5.7-liter V8 or a new hybrid iForce Max V6. This SUV can handle everything from towing to family road trips, and still feel solid after hundreds of thousands of kilometers. 13. Kia Telluride. Kia has made a serious mark in the SUV world with the Telluride. It's not just stylish, it's also built tough. Its 3.8-liter V6 engine and smooth 8-speed transmission have shown excellent reliability in real-world tests. Add Kia's long warranty, and you have a luxury-like SUV that's built to last. 14. Nissan Patrol. A true off-road legend. The Nissan Patrol, especially the Y62 generation, is built for extreme durability. Its 5.6-liter V8 is powerful and nearly indestructible. Whether in the Middle East deserts or African terrain, Patrols are known to survive the harshest conditions, with minimal issues. 15. Mitsubishi Pajero. Finally, the Mitsubishi Pajero, a global 4x4 icon. Though it's retired in some markets, its legacy lives on. Pajeros are built to conquer tough roads and are famous for reliability in places like Australia, Asia, and Africa. Many Pajeros are still running strong even after 20 years of use. Why these SUVs last so long? The secret behind these SUVs' longevity lies in engineering simplicity, quality materials, and proven engines. Most of these vehicles avoid overcomplicated tech and focus on solid mechanical performance. They're built to endure harsh conditions, not just look good in a showroom. Tips to keep your SUV running forever. 1. Regular maintenance, oil changes, filters, and fluids should be replaced on time. 2. Avoid cheap parts, always use genuine or high-quality replacements. 3. Drive smartly, gentle acceleration and smooth braking can double your car's life. 4. Check fluids regularly, transmission, coolant, and brake fluids matter as much as engine oil. 5. Protect the body, rust-proofing and undercoating help preserve your SUV's frame for decades. Final thoughts. If you want a vehicle that won't give you headaches, these 15 SUVs are your best bet. From the Toyota Land Cruiser to the Honda CR-V, each one has earned its reputation through decades of real-world dependability. These are SUVs you can buy today, drive for a lifetime, and even pass down to your children. So, which of these legendary SUVs would you choose for your garage? Let me know in the comments below.